Here's another in-depth appliance repair video from Sheen Appliance Repair and Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to put a heating element on a Whirlpool dryer. Tools you'll need are a straight screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver, and a pair of chan locks or pliers, your basic tools. Okay, we're going to go to the back of the dryer and we're going to take this back panel off. So we take our 1/4 inch nut driver and we take a screw out there, one right there, and the same thing on the other side. There's one on the bottom, one on the middle, and one in the top. And then your final 3 screws are in the middle here. One right there, and one right there. We want to take all those out. Once we get our back off, you'll see the heating element on the right side. You want to take your straight screwdriver and you want to pry those wires off. Making sure it's unplugged, of course. Kind of set those off to the side. Then take your 1/4 inch nut driver and take your screw out on the left side and on the right side. And that heating element will pop right out. Take an ohm meter, check your thermostat and your heating element. Make sure it's good. Alright, you're going to get your new one and you're going to slide it right in where the old one was. And then you're going to put your screws back in with your 1/4 inch nut driver. Remembering where your wires go, you're going to hook your wires back up to the new element. It's always good to get a permanent marker and maybe draw somewhere a diagram for it. And you'll plug it in, check it out, see if it works.